Hello haseyo mga kachingudul! Kamusta kayo? I hope you're all doing good and are safe, lalo pat sunod-sunod yung mga bagyong nangyayari sa Pilipinas ngayon. Sana po unti-unti nang makabangon yung mga kababayan natin, lalo na yung mga nasalanta ng bagyo. And if you can extend your help sa kahit ano pang paraan, I encourage you to do so. At kung hindi naman, your prayers are still a big help. And on a lighter note, gusto ko rin kamustahin yung mga naapektuhan ng 11/11 sale, tulad ko. Nako, I'm sure marami sa inyo ang tumambay sa Shopee at Lazada noong November 11. Nako, ang dami kong nakitang products and gadgets na pangbuhok na naka-sale. Buti na lang talaga hairstylist ako, at least na-justify ko yung mga pinagbibili ko online. Tulad na lang ng i-unbox ko today. Sobrang nakita ko lang siya randomly and na-curious ako. So, dumating na siya and bubuksan ko na. So, i-check natin kung sulit nga ba yung nabili ko. So, I actually got a blow-dry nozzle attachment. And the interesting thing here is that it is a dupe of the AIRWRAP. Medyo iffy lang ako though kasi yung gumawa or nag-manufacture nito talagang ginaya kahit yung kulay ng AIRWRAP. But I'm so curious if this actually works. What's really impressive for me as a hairstylist dun sa brand na nag-innovate ng AIRWRAP is that it saves you the time from drying your hair to curling it. So the theory is you're using air to curl your hair. So that's like hitting two birds with one stone, diba? And sobrang amazing nun for someone like me na hairstylist who does live TV shows or concerts, kasi most of the time yung celebrity na hawak ko, naitago natin sa initials na Maha Salvador. Pagkatapos nun mag-perform, syempre pawis na pawis yun. What if she has to do a quick change for a spiel or another prod? Ang galing lang nung thought na hindi ko na kailangan i-blow dry pa yung buhok para matuyo, saka ko siya pwedeng i-curling iron because I can actually curl and dry her hair at the same time. Actually, rubberized yung area na to. So when you attach it on your blow dryer, snug naman siya, in fairness, and sturdy. And then I placed my blow dryer in the highest heat setting. And I've actually tried the real thing, and what it does is that it wraps the hair dun sa barrel. So, let's see kung yun din yung gagawin niya. And I have here my lovely model who is fierce and fresh out of the shower. So you see naman that there are arrows kung saan yung direction ng air. So most likely that would also mean yun din yung direction ng curl na gagawin mo. And since we are doing this side first, we want na yung curl is going away from the face. So with position the one this way, kasi since yung air niya or yung arrows niya is papunta rin away from the face. Okay, first, so let's see if kusa niya bang i-wrap yung hair dun sa barrel, because technically that's what the AIRWRAP does. So now I am using cold air. What? Ang ganda! And look at how bouncy that curl is. The thing lang though, yung wind power kasi ng mga ganitong klaseng blow dryer, it's not the same as the AIRWRAP. So, hindi niya nahihigop yung section of hair like the real AIRWRAP does. So, kailangan mo pa siyang hawakan or, i-feed dun sa barrel. But, otherwise, in fairness, nakakurl na yung buhok. So, what do you guys think? Actually, if we're going to answer the question, does it work? Yes, it does. And for the amount of money that I got it for, especially on sale, sobrang sulit ng purchase na to. Because our main goal was to see if natutuyo niya ba yung hair at the same time naka-curl. And as you can see naman, it was able to dry the hair at the same time, give it bouncy and voluminous curls. However, I will be rating this product a good 6 out of 10 for various reasons. First, I don't think it is user-friendly, especially if you're looking to get something that is for personal use. Second, it's disappointing na isa lang yung barrel that comes with it. Ako kasi I like to create my curls in different directions. This one will only allow you to create your curls in one direction. That's why earlier I was having a hard time doing the curls on this side more than on that side. Also, I realized why the real AIRWRAP performs way better. Unless you use a salon grade or heavy duty blow dryer, you won't be able to use this attachment. Because what does the most work is your blow dryer's wind power. Also, you should watch out that this nozzle easily slips out, especially when your blow dryer starts to get very hot. So you should be very careful when you decide to get this product. Overall, I'd say I'm happy with this purchase because it still does the job for me. My advice to you though, if you can afford to get the real AIRWRAP, bilhin nyo na. It is a really good investment. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this episode. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave them down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the notification bell so you get notified of my new uploads. You can follow me on my social media to see all of my works. Thanks sa hamnida again for watching and I'll see you next time. Annyeong!